Hello everyone, today me Vaibhav, Aarnav, Vihaan from 7th grade, Lotus Valley International School, Gurugram. Today we are going to present our project which comes under the category of safety. The model is a garage safety mechanism.
So we realized that car mechanics risk their lives every day to fix cars. The engine can overheat any time and set on fire. For that, we made a safety mechanism. Let me demonstrate this to you. So we've plugged in the battery and now we will take this agarbatti which represents the fire near this MQ2 sensor. And as you can see, the MQ2 sensor has sensed it and the buzzer has turned on and the LEDs have turned on as well.
As you can see, there are multiple components used to build this function, and the LEDs, the Arduino, the buzzer, and the MQ2, which is a sensor. It can be used in multiple places like buildings, schools, houses, and other places.